Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java string manipulation is tricky if you ignore loop boundaries. Let's trace this code to see exactly how the characters are being rearranged.
The loop starts with I equal to the string length minus 1, which is 4. However, the condition says I must be greater than 0, so it stops before reaching index 0. Inside the loop, we take a substring from I minus 1 to I. This effectively grabs a single character at index I minus 1 and adds it to our result string. When I is 4, we grab index 3. When I is 1, we grab index 0. This results in LPPA making option D correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.